Sammy, it's study time!
Sue, do we really have to do this?
But you need it! You wanted some brain training, remember?
My brain's already turned into slime!
It's not! What's wrong?
I thought this book wanted to eat me.
Sam, it's just a textbook! Haven't you seen biting books?
Then show me! I dare you! Ah!
Okay then, I'll give you a short break. Let's make the Monster Book of Monsters!
Woohoo! No studying!
Attention class, today we have a magic crafting lesson.
Oh, this lesson is right for me! What are we gonna transform?
You show me! What comes to your mind?
Aha! I have the coolest idea! Appearicus wooden boxus!
This will become a magic book for Care of Magical Creatures lesson from Harry Potter.
Magical creatures? Like our hamsters?
No, I don't think our hamsters are magical in any way. Thanks for the putty.
Guys, do you like our videos with pets? Give us a thumbs up if you do! Woohoo! Holy cannoli! So many likes!
Sammy, you're like a real wizard. You should attend Hogwarts.
Oh, where is my owl with a letter from Professor McGonagall then?
Don't give up. At least today you'll get your own Hogwarts textbook.
Yeah, a bitey one! How am I supposed to deal with it?
We'll tame it, and we finish this putty layer.
It really looks like book pages. Let's cover it with acrylic paint.
You read my mind. Let's paint the base color and then add some details. Guys, check this out! The acrylic layer is ready! Wow! Did I learn the Wingardium Leviosa spell?
Or maybe your friend Slime tricked you.
Okay, Mr. Prankster. Are you hiding anything else from me?
No, I'll just give this to you. A template for book's jaws.
Ooh, looks scary. Let's make a shape for the jaws using polymer clay.
Hey, Susan, these are some very sharp teeth. Grr!
You're right, Toothy Slime. Let's attach these teeth to the jaw.
Oh, but you have to stick them well, or they'll fall down.
Got it! Let's shape the gums now. This way. Wow, it's starting to look really scary! Let's move on.
Sue's gonna be startled. Hey!
Grr!
Shiver me cheddar, Susan, it's not fair.
I can say the same about you. You wanted to prank me first. Now it's my turn to win this round. Yum, 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 yum.
And I prepared another weapon. Defend yourself!
I see you've already moved to the next stage. The book is about monsters, so we can't do without tentacles.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's make a whole bunch of them!
Here we go! Check out these tiny cute tentacles, guys! They look lonely. Let's join them using pieces of polymer clay.
I look like Medusa from Greek mythology! Wow!
What, Sammy? Did you turn into stone?
No, I was just amazed by my coolness.
Guys, pay attention. We'll use clay softener to remove fingerprints.
Is it safe for slimes?
Don't worry, I already finished. But we still need to do something to make the tentacles look more real.
Susan, I think we need suction cups!
Wow, that's so easy! And looks awesome, right?
Holy cannoli! Sue, you outdid yourself! These look totally awesome!
Thanks, Sammy. And you're right on time. Take these to the oven, please.
Okay, got it! For how long?
For about 15 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius. And while the tentacles are baking, we'll move on.
I'm watching you.
Oh, they're chasing me! Help! I forgot the spell for petrifying! Take that!
Thanks, Sammy. Now we can make the part with the eyes and nostrils.
Oh, the tentacles are ready! I'll go check everything!
Guys, the book and the movie had 4 eyes, like a spider. So we'll make 4 such shapes and join them together.
And don't forget about nostrils! It should be able to smell its prey. I mean, its owner!
Sam, could you help me with the other half?
Yeah, I'll just monitor your work and mirror it. 4 eyes don't actually make my sight better. Huh.
Yeah, spider sight is really bad. Most of them recognize only shadows and light.
Then I'll just put on another pair of glasses.
Guys, check out this rough surface. Sammy, are you finished yet?
Sure, Sue! Did you doubt me?
Thanks to Sam, I can put two halves together like this. And this part is almost done.
Then it's time for baking again!
No, this time we'll add some clay softener and then use a blow dryer.
Right, otherwise plastic eyes would be ruined.
Exactly. Okay, let's get started. Sammy, you can't stay still, huh? What do you have there?
I've just cut out the monster book of, and I lost the rest.
And I found it. Let's finish the name on the piece of clay. We transferred letters from a thin piece of paper using a pen.
Wow, Sue! You shouldn't use magic outside of Hogwarts!
No magic, just a crafting trick. Huh?
We know lots of those tricks. Subscribe and you won't miss anything!
Cut it, just bake the piece in the oven and it's done. And now we'll attach it to the box using super glue.
What a view! Hey, they bit me!
Then let's attach them too so they won't cause any mischief again.
Ah, they look so real! And their bite feels real too! Do you agree?
The jaws are in their place, but the work is still not done. Let's use the filler to cover all the gaps and transitions we have.
It actually looks pretty good!
Sammy, do you mind?
Oh, not at all!
This fake leather will look great as a cover for our book. Am I right? Sam got really upset that all the decor parts were covered, so I'm cutting out the excess pieces.
Look, Susan, I have eyes on my back and I'm gonna watch you everywhere you go!
Oh, this one sounds spooky. I'll always keep the toothy box with me then.
You won't scare me. Slimes aren't easy to scare.
Okay, but you don't want to see a hidden secret of the box?
A secret? A magical secret? I'm absolutely for it!
Great! And these eyes are gonna watch for intruders.
Then I won't see what's hidden inside? Not fair!
No, I guarantee you'll be an exception. Actually, you'll see it first.
Oh, I'm very excited!
Don't seem like you are, though. You're so still.
Cause I don't want to spill the paint, silly! Don't you know any spell to speed up?
Well, I can try to improvise it. Ahem. Paintucus, colorificus. Aha! It worked!
And it's called a video editing program!
Yeah, we don't have any secrets from you guys. And we're moving to the tentacles. Here, I'll use a brighter and more pinkish color.
This is one of my favorite parts! Act like an artist!
And don't forget to add some texture to the suction cups with a darker color. Looks awesome! Now it's the gums' turn. Sammy, where are you? You said you like coloring.
I don't know. The part with the teeth looks too creepy.
Do you remember the trick to calm down the monster book? Just stroke its spine and it won't hurt you.
Here you go. Good monster. Wow, it works!
See? And now let's add some shades to make the gums look more realistic. Just add some bits here and there. It shouldn't look perfect, you know. But the teeth should look dirtier. We'll add some color right near the gums.
Someone doesn't like to brush them.
Arr!
Okay, you don't have to. Just don't bite me again.
Sammy, don't run too far. Could you find faux fur for the cover?
I already did it. It's good for hiding.
Great! And I'm adding acrylic to add a glossy finish to the jaws and teeth.
Please dry fast. I can't wait too long.
And the last step is adding some faux fur. We'll use some small pieces and glue them straight to the cover.
Fur, fur, and even more fur! Want to see the final result? Then stay with us! Now stroke the back. Done! Open up. Hail Tippy-Jabba! It's a real treasure!
Well, you finally found out the secret of the box.
Sue, it's the best! Now I'm ready for everything!
Then we can start studying. Your brain needs some training, remember?
But first, my brain needs some energy, right? This chocolate frog is cool!
I can't argue with this. Guys, did you like our magical craft? Support us with your thumbs up.
They help us make new videos! And don't forget to subscribe!
See y'all soon!